Here you see me cutting off the quarter panels. It may seem extreme, but I decided there was a lot of body filler in those quarter panels, and I wanted to get back there and see what kind of corrosion was happening. And it allows me to strip all of that. Without removing the quarter panels, there's really no way to get back there and deal with all that corrosion. This way, I'll have new sheet metal, I'll have all of that epoxy primed, and it'll be good as new. Here you can see the corrosion that I'm talking about, and you can also see a couple patches that were made, and not in a very good way. They really did nothing. It looks like they were brazed on. And here's a closer look at that inner wheel well. You can see where those patches were brazed in, and you can see all the rust, a lot of corrosion in there. There's just no way to get at that without removing the quarter panels. So this is one of the most extreme steps of the project, is taking the quarter panel off, replacing that. There's no way to spot weld that like it was done at the factory, so it'll have to be bonded in places. Here I want to show you how much body filler is in the lower portion of that quarter panel. You can see it's a 1/4 inch.
Hey, what's up everybody? A little update. So I got the floor off, and yeah, I'm getting pretty close to where I want to be in terms of getting it stripped. I've got a little bit more to take off. Got the top half of the A post I want to remove, and just a little segment of the sill back here that I gotta fuss around with. And then I'm going to strip it. Take it to the strippers. I think I've decided on taking it to the sandblasters. I found a guy that's got a good reputation for working on old cars. So anyways, yeah, look at this. Not much left. I'm in pretty deep, I guess, now, huh? No turning back at this point. And the only thing of the original car that's connecting the front and the back is the transmission tunnel. So, man, I hope I've reinforced it enough. I've welded in extra rods here, and you know, yeah, I'm hoping it's gonna all work out. I know I've got my work cut out for me when I go back to start to reassemble this. You know, get the door and the gaps to everything to line up and fit right. It's going to be a challenge, and definitely, you know, new territory for me, but I've been thinking about it. Anyways, I've got some strategies about how to deal with that, the reconstruction, but I'll get into that later. Just wanted to show you where I'm at.
Now all of these cavities are exposed, so that's kind of nice. I mean, I'll be able to get inside all of these beams and get them clean, before they get sealed back up. You know, that transmission tunnel, I mean, it's not bad, it's just really dirty. And you know, back here there is some rust in there. We'll see what comes off, and we'll see what I have to patch.